It's great that we're seeing, a validation by this UK defence agency, which has massive influence with the ultimate customer, the Ministry of Defence.
Hello, you're watching Proactive. I'm joined by Graeme Purdy, the CEO of Ilika. Graeme, very good to speak with you. You've had strong feedback from a UK defence agency following safety tests of your Goliath battery under battlefield conditions. Take us through how they tested.
Yeah, morning, Stephen. Great to be back. Yeah, actually, the tests were pretty straightforward. The batteries were put onto a firing range, and they were penetrated by various types of ammunition, and the responses of the batteries were measured, and this is what's given us the feedback.
Put simply, what makes those batteries safer than traditional lithium-ion batteries?
Yeah, this is one of the big advantages, really, of solid-state batteries, is that if they are put together in the way that we build our Goliath batteries, they are intrinsically safer because they don't have a flammable liquid electrolyte component. And if you take that out and you replace it with a more inert electrolyte, then it can survive these types of penetrations more effectively.
Mm. So, apart from electric vehicles and other applications, you're also targeting defense and drones. How significant is that opportunity, Graeme?
I have to confess that, when we started developing the Goliath technology, it was principally for EVs and also for consumer appliances, where we picked up some interest as we moved through the development program. And to be frank, the defense opportunity is a more recent opportunity that has become clear, in the face of heightened global tensions and conflicts in various theaters around the world. And, there is a need for this country, as well as other NATO partners, to reinforce their defense technology, to update it, and to invest at a higher level than has been seen in recent years. And because effectively the defense sector has become increasingly electrified, both in terms of the equipment that that soldiers carry around with them, and also because of the increased use of communication devices and intelligence gathering devices and unmanned vehicles. Suddenly you're seeing a commensurate increase in the demand for batteries, particularly safe batteries like these that can be deployed and keep actually everybody in the environment much safer than they would be if you had a normal lithium-ion battery.
This sounds like a significant milestone for the company, Graeme. What needs to happen next to turn it into real commercial deals?
Well, it's great that we're seeing, a validation by this UK defence agency, which has massive influence with the ultimate customer, the Ministry of Defence. And of course, we're working with other companies in the supply chain to turn this interest into a commercial reality and generate a return for the investment that we've put into this technology.
Well, Graeme, I hope you'll keep us updated with developments in that field. Thank you very much for your time today.
Thanks, Stephen. Let's speak soon.
Graeme Purdy, the CEO of Ilika.